Medium-duty trucks, literally the backbone of commerce, industry, and agriculture. Try to think of one thing we use that the raw materials, parts, or finished item itself isn't transported by a truck. You won't come up with many. Medium-duty trucks are used for all kinds of applications. Fire trucks, pickup and deliveries, stake trucks, tractors with trailers, dump trucks, beverage haulers, tank trucks, grain bodies, and don't forget that V60 bus chassis are also medium-duty trucks. To sell a medium-duty truck, you need to become familiar with information contained in these books, and you need to learn the basic truck terms. Many of these terms are common to light-duty trucks as well, and these sources will give you a solid foundation on which to build your medium-duty knowledge and sales ability. There are two basic parts of a medium-duty: the actual truck itself and the body, which is supplied by a body manufacturer. As you work with your customer to qualify his exact needs, the job description of the vehicle will point you toward the right truck for the job. And that means selecting the right load-carrying and load-moving components. Let's talk about load-carrying components first. The objective is to select a truck with a wheelbase that will accommodate the body. Considerations include the cab-to-rear axle length, or CA, required for the type of body that will be mounted on the frame. And since the frame is the backbone of the truck, it must be strong enough to do the job and fit the body installation requirements. The front and rear axles must have gross axle weight ratings, GAWR, that can handle the total weight of the truck and its load. Weight must be distributed so the front and rear axles are not overloaded. The medium-duty data book has detailed sections to help you select these components. Basically, there are two types of wheels: cast spoke wheels and ventilated disc type wheels. Tires serve two functions. First, they provide traction contact with the road. And second, they help support the load. Tire capacity should be governed by the GAWR. Now for the load-moving components. Medium-duty trucks may require the power to handle GVWRs in the neighborhood of 35,000 pounds or more. So you have to know when to recommend diesel or gasoline engines that supply enough torque and horsepower to get the truck and its load moving and to keep it moving at the desired speed. The transmission transmits power from the engine to the propeller shaft, which in turn provides power to the rear axle, then to the rear wheels. The transmission must provide a sufficient number of gears and ratios to move the load from standing start to the desired speed with efficiency. The final link of the drivetrain is the rear axle, which besides supporting the weight, also transfers engine torque and rotary motion from the propeller or drive shaft to the rear wheels. The truck data book can help you select the rear axle with the right weight rating and ratio for the specific application. To meet the exact load-moving and load-carrying needs of your customers, there are three series designations: 50, 60, and 70. Series 50 conventionals are available in GVWRs ranging from 13,800 to 18,500 pounds. GCWRs up to 32,000 pounds, in wheelbases from 125 to 167 inches. Series 60 conventionals are available in GVWRs ranging from 16,000 to 24,000 pounds. GCWRs up to 45,000 pounds, in wheelbases from 125 to 218 inches. The Series 70 conventionals are available in GVWRs from 19,200 to 33,200 pounds. GCWRs to 60,000 pounds, in wheelbases from 125 to 254 inches. There are also Series 70 tandem axle models with GVWRs up to 50,000 pounds, GCWRs to 60,000 pounds, and with wheelbases from 149 to 226 inches. Whatever the customer's medium-duty needs, Chevy offers a wide range of models to match the weight and size of the job with the right truck. And there's a full range of components and optional equipment to meet specific needs, like a choice of gasoline or diesel engines, and a choice of 21 transmissions, including 4, 5, 10, and 13-speed manuals, as well as a choice of 4-speed auxiliary and 4 or 5-speed automatics. Plus, there are 22 different rear axle choices available to efficiently meet any load-carrying demand. Chevy also offers a wide range of optional equipment to meet most comfort and convenience needs, including a choice of sound systems, air conditioning, sliding glass rear window, torsion bar or air suspension seats, auxiliary fuel tanks, dual trumpet horns, chrome front bumper, and even grab handles to make entry and exit easier. Remember, the complete listing of all specs, equipment, and factory available options is available in the 1984 Chevrolet Medium Duty Truck Data Book. This book is indispensable to anyone who's selling these big and profitable trucks. The Chevrolet Truck Body Equipment Selection Guide can help you select and recommend the correct truck and equipment for use with special body types and vocational equipment. The Silver Book, on the other hand, includes literature and specs supplied by manufacturers of specialized truck bodies and equipment. Your sales manager can help you obtain copies of these books. Selling mediums is not the same as order taking. You have to make recommendations, understand the prospect's business and trucking needs, and really know which truck to recommend for the job. With the variety of engines, transmissions, rear axles, wheelbases, and other components to choose from, there are more than 4,800 ways to spec out a medium. That's why you need to learn how to use the Easy Spec ordering system. It simplifies the process of selecting the right truck, components, and optional equipment necessary to do a particular job. The vocational index section is broken down by job applications, like city delivery, dump trucks, or farm and ranch trucks. In the Component Summary Index, you'll find a listing of major Easy Spec components that identify a specific Easy Spec model. Easy Spec pages detail the engine, fuel and exhaust equipment, transmission, rear axle, and so on, right down to the cab equipment. Easy Specs, easy to use and understand. They can give you a real foothold into the medium-duty market. Chevrolet's Medium Duty Selling Conference is a comprehensive introductory program that's a great hands-on way to learn about speccing and selling mediums. This conference literally walks you through the models, components, and Easy Spec process. Your sales manager can provide information on attending these sessions. Chevrolet offers the biggest line of passenger cars, light and medium-duty trucks available today. Don't lock yourself out of important and profitable medium-duty sales. If you've never sold a medium, right now is a good time to learn how. Reference tools and classes are available to you. Remember, one medium-duty sale will very often open the door to more and more sales. Sales of additional mediums, of light-duty trucks, and of passenger cars as well. Chevrolet Medium Duty Trucks.